Hello, welcome to Sha Nai Nai. Today's video is about how to make Chinese pancakes. I use ground pork and sauerkraut as a filling here, but this is just an example. You can always substitute them with your favorite meat and vegetable and use the same way I showed in this video. There will be 4 steps here: scalding flour, preparing fillings, wrapping pancakes, and pan frying them. First, scald the flour. Mix flour with boiled water. This is a skill that can make the wrapper of the pancakes much softer than those from cold mixing. Pour hot water, a little at a time. Stir constantly until flour becomes flakes. Now it's time to knead with your hand until the flakes become a ball. So far, the dough is very tacky. By adding oil to the dough, the wrapper will remain soft and moist even when it cools down. When oil is completely absorbed by the dough, cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. During the 30 minutes, you can prepare the filling. Chop sauerkraut into small pieces and set aside. Now season the ground pork. There are 3 tips to make sure the filling is juicy and tender. Tip 1. In the seasoning step, add cornstarch to coat the meat. Mix well. Tip 2. Reconstitute the meat by adding infusion and whisk heavily until the meat is emulsified. This is how to make infusion. Add water to onion and ginger. Squeeze to get the juice into the water. Toss onion and ginger and keep water. Add infusion to meat, a little at a time. Toss and mix very well every time before you add more. You can emulsify the meat either by whisking or by throwing the meat at the bowl about 20 times. Finally, the ground pork is emulsified. Tip 3. Add oil to seal the meat. Mix well. Now it's time to combine sauerkraut and ground pork. Add oil to lubricate sauerkraut. Mix well. Cover and set aside. 30 minutes later, the dough is very applicable. Just give a little more kneading and the dough is ready. Now it's time to wrap the filling. Coat a little oil on board will prevent dough from sticking. Get a piece of dough, same size or slightly larger than a walnut. Fold it to smooth. Shape with hands. Press to flatten. Use a rolling pin, roll crosswise, and then spin and roll to make a wrapper. Low filling on the wrapper. Fold with both hands to form a cup. Turn the dough cup to close the opening, bringing up the edge with thumb, index finger, and the middle finger. Secure the filling with the other thumb. Shape it by turning and pressing gently. Preheat a pan over low heat for 10 seconds. Brush oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Lay the pancakes and shallow fry. Turn over the pancakes to get golden on both sides. Add water 2 tablespoons, cover the pan, cook on the medium heat until water disappears. Uncover, continue pan frying both sides over low heat, 3 seconds each side, so the wrappers turn crispy again. Hey, go ahead and make your own pancakes. Thank you for watching today. I'm Sha Nai Nai. See you next time.